Hello, my people. You get one tori wey I carry come today. I bet me una draw una chair small. Come closer. For where I dey live some years ago, plenty children full there. And they be my friend. I like small pikin them. Then two they enter my flat. As I still dey single, I never go double. So then they enter anything wey I cook, I go share and we go chop. Anything wey beef na juice, I go comot am for fridge. We go share am. Now so I dey do, and they can't like me well. If I dey come back from work, they go gather. E get one particular boy among these children. This one, for Igbo land, they call him Ketekpo. This one, Ketekpo na somebody wey no dey hear something. This boy, unless he know hear chow, you know the sound of onions where you carry and put inside well-bleached oil. This boy, once whether they sleep, I don't know whether this boy self they sleep for house. Immediately don't hear it, he don't enter my house. And the funniest part be say, they knock, he go just open door, enter like say, I'm here him the parent. For my inside my sitting room, I get 3 seaters. I get 2 seaters. I get single one. Now that 3 seaters, this boy they like to sit down. And he go sit down for me to make you face one single way me they like to sit down to either chop or watch TV or just rest. Now there this boy, if you come, he go leave other chair, now there he go sit down, make it they look me. So especially if I put cartoon, now he they like to watch cartoon, but once I don't begin the chop, cartoon channel go change, enter for my face. Now there this boy will carry his own face put to complete. You go to begin watch me. So that particular day, I cook food finish. Only him waka enter, and I know send them. For my mind, I thought I no go give him even the half onion like this. I no go give him. So as I dey work, and this boy there for that 3-in-1 seat, they look me. Leave cartoon channel where I put where you suppose put in eye and face for. Now me they watch. I dey work the food, the boy they look me. I dey work the food, the boy they look me. The boy can't change position from 3-in-1, enter 2-in-1. Maybe things I know see him well. As he enter 3-in-1, I there he dey. See they look me. I dey work my food. I no send that. I seen there for that 2-in-1. Nothing for that. Now the boy move, enter the other single where they near the other single where me sit down. He sit down there. As he sit down there, now he come they do giraffe. You know how it take happen for exam hall. Now so this boy they do giraffe like this inside my plate. I tell and say, come, I call him and say, look, even if you fall enter inside this plate, I go chop you. He say, hey, you know talk. The next thing where he come talk, he say, the first thing where he talk, he say, uncle, the food sweet. I say, I don't know. I can't they chop, can't they choice. Still they do giraffe. The next question where he ask me, he say, uncle, you go finish the food? I say, I don't know. I don't they work the food. Can't remain small. Maybe in mind don't they tell and say, if you no talk, I go finish and no go give her nothing for her. Now so the next thing why I hear me say, uncle, you no good though. I say, waiting no good. He say, since why they here, they chop your food, you no call me. I no talk to her. The next thing where you come talk, he say, uncle, I dey hear the sound of your ear. My people now say it take happen. Say small pikin where they hear the sound of my ear. Maybe he no know how you go take put and where. My people, it don't happen no. Alright, make una help me. Go for comment section, write wetin dey una mind concerning wetin happen between me and this Smally. Like, share too, and keep following me. Once you hit that button, anytime when you see my post, you will see them. Anytime when I post enter, you must see them. Okay, guys, catch you some other time. Bye.